Hi everyone. Today's lesson we're going to be learning how to subtract double-digit numbers. It's a fairly simple concept. Once you guys see a few examples, you guys should get the hang of it. So, for our first example, we have 22 minus 11. So, our first step, all we're going to do is just write out this 22, this first number, 22. Now, for our second step, we're going to do minus this 11, the second number, and you're going to write the 11 right below the 22 equals. Okay, once you have it set up just like this, it's very easy. All you do is just pick the numbers all the way on the right, so we're going to be going from right to left. So you're going to do 2 minus 1, which equals 1. And again, we're going to go to these two numbers right here now. We're going to do, again, 2 minus 1, which equals 1. So our final answer is going to be 11. Okay, and for our second example, we are going to do 36 minus 23. So, as you remember, our first step is take this first number, 36, and just write it out. That's all you have to do. Step number 2, we're going to do minus this 23 right here, the second number, and we're going to do it right under the 36. 3 equals. Okay, now once we have it set up, remember, we start from all the way on the right, working our way from the top down. So we're going to do the 6 minus this 3 right here, which equals 3. Now we're going to go to the left. We're going to do the 3 minus this 2, which equals 1. So our final answer is going to be 13. And for our third example, we're going to do 47 minus 21. And feel free to pause it and try it on your own. If you get stuck, I'm going to go through it with you guys. So once again, first step, just write down the first number, 47. Step number 2, minus the 21, the second number. You're going to write that, once again, you're going to write that 21 right beneath the 47 equals. Okay, and then all it is a simple subtraction from here, just 7 minus 1, which equals 6, and 4 minus 2, which equals 2. So our final answer is going to be 26. Okay, and for our last example, we're going to use these. We're going to pretend like these are tennis balls. Sorry for my terrible artistic skills. But we're going to use these to help us solve the equation. So right here, we're going to pretend like, again, these are tennis balls. So right now, here we have 12 tennis balls. 12. Over here, we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now, it's just like how it was written before. We're going to start off doing, remember, write that first number, 12. We're going to subtract the second number right beneath it, 10 equals. And again, start from the right, top to bottom. You're going to go 2 minus 0, which equals 2. 1 minus 1, which equals 0. So our final answer is going to be 2. You guys are going to have just a couple, very short, a few homework questions that I would like for you guys to try. If you guys have any questions, we're going to go over it in class. Let me know how you guys do.